In today's video, we're going to be solving the find the index of the first occurrence in a string problem on LeetCode. So we're given two strings, a needle and a haystack, and we need to return the index of the first occurrence of the needle in our haystack, or -1 if needle is not the part of haystack. So given these two strings over here, for example, sad but sad and a needle as sad, we need to return the first occurrence of our needle, which is sad, which is over here. So the index 0 will be printed out. For this one, LeetCode is our haystack and needle is LETTO. We have LETT but not a O, so it doesn't contain in the string, so we return -1. So let's get into it. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be using a Python's built-in string function, so which is going to basically check if the first occurrence is located in our substring. If the substring is not found, then we just return -1. It's pretty simple and handles all the edge cases directly. So we just return haystack.find needle. All right, so what it is doing is it's using the Python's built-in function find, which is effectively going to locate the first occurrence of the substring in our haystack. And if the substring is not found, it's going to return -1. So this should handle all the edge cases. Let's go ahead and run it. All right, let's run the other test cases. Okay, looks like all the test cases are passed. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or if you need any specific video, drop them in the comments and I'll get that posted. See you in the next one.